Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change mono to stereo in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to have your Audacity application already open on your computer with your audio file loaded. To begin the conversion process, double-click anywhere on your audio track. This action will select the entire waveform, highlighting it so you can work with the complete audio file. You'll notice the entire track becomes highlighted, indicating that it's ready for the next steps. Now direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Edit. This will open a drop-down menu with various editing options. From this menu, look for and select Duplicate. What this does is create an exact copy of your original mono track, which is essential for converting to stereo. You'll see a second identical track appear below your original one in the workspace. Having two separate tracks is what allows Audacity to create that stereo effect with distinct left and right channels. Next, navigate to your first audio track on the left side of the screen. You'll notice a pan slider there which controls which speaker the audio plays through. Click and drag this pan slider all the way to the left. This assigns your first track exclusively to the left audio channel, meaning it will primarily play through the left speaker when you listen to the final output. Now move down to your duplicated audio track, also on the left side. You'll see an identical pan slider for this track as well. Click and drag this pan slider all the way to the right. This assigns your duplicated track exclusively to the right audio channel, so it will play through the right speaker. By panning one track left and the other right, you're essentially separating the two tracks into distinct left and right channels, which creates the stereo effect you're looking for. And that's it. You've successfully converted your mono audio into stereo by duplicating the track and panning each copy to opposite channels. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.